Hello, this is Sakshi. I'm from Triple IT CCT. So ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ನಿನ್ನೆ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸಸ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಅದ್ ಯಾವ ತರ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ತರ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಹಾ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ 8.1 ನೋಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ. ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ an will be equal to n into n+2 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರ ಏನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು, ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 5 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ 5 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್. ಸೊ nth ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ, an will be equal to n into n+2 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ವೇರ್ n ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ರಿಟನ್ ಆಸ್ 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈ 5 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ವೇರಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು a1 is equal to 1 into 1+2 ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 3. a2 will be equal to 2 into 2+2. That will be, how much is that? 4 into 2, that is 6, 4 into 2, 8. So a3 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 3 into 3+2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, which is 15. And a4 will be equal to 4 into 4+2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, that will be equal to 24. And a5 will be equal to 5 into 5+2, that will be equal to 35. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ಬಂದಾಗ ನಾವು ಆ ತರಾನೇ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ an will be there, that is n divided by n+1 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ n can be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ a1 ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ it will be 1 divided by 2. a2 ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 2 divided by 3. a3 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು it will be 3 divided by 4. a4 ಏನ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ 4 divided by 5. a5 is 5 divided by 6 ಅಂತ ನಮಗಿಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, an will be there, that is 2 to the power of n ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಸೊ an will be equal to 2 power n ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ an 2 power n ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ a1 ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 2, a2 ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 4, a3 ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 2 power 3, that is 8, a4 ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 2 power 4, 16, a5 ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ that will be 32 ಅಂತ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಒನ್ ಏನ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಇವಾಗ, an will be equal to 2n minus of 3 divided by 6 ಅಂತ ನಮಗಿಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So a1 will be equal to 2 minus of 3 divided by 6, that will be minus 1 by 6. Then a2 will be equal to 4 minus of 3 divided by 6 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, that is 1 divided by 6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. a3 ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, that is 6 minus of 3 divided by 6, that will be equal to 3 by 6, that will be 1 by 2. Okay. a4 ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 8 minus of 3 divided by 6 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So that will be, how much is that, 5 divided by 6 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Then a5 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, that is 10 minus of 3, 7 divided by 6 ಅಂತ ನಮಗಿಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ, an will be equal to -1 a to the power of n minus 1, 5 to the power of n+1. a1 ಬಂದಾಗ it will be -1, so 1 minus 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 to the power of 2, that will be equal to, how much is that, 25. a2 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ -1 to the power of 1, and also that is 5 to the power of 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, that will be minus of, how much is that, 125. ಹಂಗೇನೆ ನಾವು a3 ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 625 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, a4 ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ -3125 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಂಡ್ a5 ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 15625 ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಹಾ. ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 to 6 ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, a1, a2, a3 ಅದೇ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ a1, a2, a3 ನೇ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಒನ್ ಏನ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ, an will be equal to n into n square plus times of 5 divided by 4 ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿದೆ. a1 ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 1 into 1 plus 5 by 4, that is 1 into 6 by 4, that is 3 by 2 ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಂಗೇನೆ a2 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 9 by 2. ಸೊ ಸೇಮ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ 2 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ n ಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ 2 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಿದೆಯೋ ಅದನ್ನ n ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, n ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು. ನಾವ್ a3 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 21 divided by 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, a4 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 21 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಂಡ್ a5 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 75 divided by 2 ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ a5 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 75 divided by 2 ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಇದೇ ತರ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಆ ತರಾನೇ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇದೇನು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಮುಗಿಯುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 7th ಒನ್ ಏನ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಈಚ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅವರು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದೇನು, ಸೊ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಇವಾಗ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದಾಗ, ಸೊ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಇವಾಗ ಎನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದವರು 4n - 3 ಅಂಡ್ A17 ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ A24 ಅನ್ನ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ A17 ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ 4 × 17 - 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 4 × 17 - 3, 4 × 17 -3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 68 - 3, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 65 ಅಂತ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬೈ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟಿಂಗ್ A24 ಗೆ, A24 ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 4 × 24 -3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 96 - 3, ವಿಚ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 93. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಇದಕ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ, 65 ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಇದಕ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ, 93 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ 8th ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಏನಿದೆ, an ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು n² ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2n ಅಂಡ್ A7. ಓಕೆ, ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ A7 ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ A7 ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದಾಗ, ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 2n ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ A7 ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ A7 ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 7 whole square divided by 2 power 7, that will be equal to 49 divided by 2 power 5 into 4, that will be 49 divided by 32 into 4 anta barattili. So that will be 49 divided by 128 is the answer, will be the answer. So 9th question ಏನ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ, an will be equal to -1 to the power of n minus of 1 n cube. So a 9 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So n will be equal to, ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ n will be equal to 9 ಬಂದಿದೆ. A9 will be equal to -1 to the power of 9 minus of 1 and 9 to the power of whole cube. So that will be equal to 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Then we'll be having 9 cube ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ 729. So which is equal to 729 ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10th one ಏನಿದೆ, so on substituting n will be equal to 20, we get A20 will be equal to. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 10th ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಏನ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಸೊ 10th ಒನ್ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು an ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದವರು n × n minus of 2 divided by n plus times of 3 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ 20 × 20 minus of 2 divided by 20 plus times of 3 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. That is 20 minus of 2 is 18, 20 plus 3 is 23. So this is approximately 360 divided by 23. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, 360 divided by 23 ಅಂತ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಏನ್ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ರೈಟ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 5 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಈಚ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 5 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಬಂದಿದೆಯೋ, ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ರೈಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 5 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಈಚ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ 11 to exercise 13. ಓಕೆನಾ? 11th one ಏನಿದೆ, A1 will be 3, an will be equal to 3a n minus 1 plus times of 2, n is greater than 1. ಸೊ A1 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು 3, ದೆನ್ A2 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಏನ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಸೊ 3 × A1 plus times of 2, that is 3 × 3 plus times of 2, that is 3 3s are 9, 11. So basically A3 will be equal to 3 × 11 plus times of 2, that is 35. Then A4 will be equal to 3 × 35 plus times of 2, which will be equal to 107. Then A5 will be equal to 3 × 107 plus times of 2, which will be equal to 323 ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ therefore that will be there and then that is going to be called as 323. Now we have one more thing. So what is that one more thing? So that is 12th one. So what is this 12th one? A1 will be equal to -1, an will be equal to an minus of 1 divided by n for n is greater than or equal to 2. ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ A2 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ A1 divided by 1, so that will be equal to -1 by 1, that is -1. Then A3 will be equal to A2 divided by 3. Okay, so that will be there, or A2 divided by 2 kada, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಸಾರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ -1 divided by 2, so that is -1 by 2 into times of 3 -1 by 6. ಹಂಗೇನೆ A4 will be equal to -1 divided by 24, A5 will be equal to -1 divided by 120 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 13th one ಅನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ 13th one? ಸೊ 13th one ಏನ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ, A1 will be equal to A2 will be equal to 2, an will be equal to an minus of 1. Okay, minus of 1 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ n will be greater than 2. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ A1 will be equal to A2 will be equal to 2, A3 ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ A3 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ that is A2 minus of 1, that will be equal to 2 minus of 1, that is 1. A4, okay, so basically A4 will be there, that is A3 minus of 1, that is 1 minus of 1, that will be 0. A5 will be equal to, that is A4 minus of 1, that will be equal to 0 minus of 1, that will be equal to minus 1. So therefore it is 1, then 0, and also we have minus 1. Atara so on hogta irutte. Now we'll be having the 14th one. Okay, what is the 14th one? The Fibonacci sequence is defined by A1 will be equal to A2 will be equal to 1, and also we have AN will be equal to AN minus of 1 plus AN minus of 2, where n is greater than 2. Now AN plus 1 divided by AN will be there for all the values of n equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, and also we have 5. Now ಈ ತರ situation ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ what is given in this solution? So basically when we talk about the given values, okay, so given A1 will be equal to A2 will be equal to 1, so AN will be equal to AN minus of 1 plus AN plus AN minus of 2, okay, wherein we have that is n will be greater than 2. So we can say that is A3 will be equal to A2 plus times of A1, which is 1 plus times of 1, that will be 2. Then A4 will be equal to A3 plus times of A2, that will be 2 plus 1 will be equal to 3. Then A5 will be equal to A4 plus times of A3, which is equal to 3 plus times of 2 equals to 5. Then A6 will be equal to A5 plus times of A4, which will be equal to 5 plus times of 3, which is equal to 8. Okay, so that will be equal to 8 anta barate, and thus we can basically say, okay, what can we say for n will be equal to? So n will be equal to 1. AN plus times of 1 divided by 2 is A2 divided by A1, that is 1 by 1 barate, which is equal to 1. So ivaga n2 iddaga, so n2 ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದಾಗ AN plus times of 1 by 2 ಹಂಗೇನೆ A3 by A2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. A3 by A2 ಅಂತ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 2 by 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Then A3 and also N3 ಅಂತ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ A4 by A3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, which is 3 by 2. Then A5 by A4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಯಾವ್ದದು, n equals to 4 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅವಾಗ ಅದು 5 by 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಈ ತರಾನೇ ನಾವು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಬಹುದು. ನಾವು ಇದು ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವ್ದಾಯ್ತು ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು, ನಾವು ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 14 ತನಕ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಾಗಿದೆ. ಇವಾಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 14 ಇಸ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಈ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್. ಇವಾಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಹೋಗಕ್ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಜೊಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಜೊಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ GM AM ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಹೌ ಆರ್ ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ AM ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ A plus B by 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. GM ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ AB ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಜೊಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್. ಹಂಗೆ ಅರಿಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್ ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇದೇ ತರ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ನಾವ್ ಇವಾಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಏನ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಓಕೆ, ಜನರಲ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು ನಮ್ಗೆ, ಸರಿನಾ? ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ 20th ಟರ್ಮ್. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ 20th ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಯಾವ ತರ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ. ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಿರೋದು ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ 8.2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ 8.2 ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ 20th ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ nth ಟರ್ಮ್, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ nth ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ GP. ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ nth ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ GP 5 by 2 ಇದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 5 by 4 ಬಂದಿದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 5 by 8 ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ಆನ್. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವ್ ಏನ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ GP ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 5 by 2, then 5 by 4, then we have 5 by 8 and so on ಬಂದಿದೆ. So A will be the first one, that is 5 by 2, and also will be having, that is R will be the common ratio, 5 by 4 divided by 5 by 2, that is 5 by 4 into 2 by 5 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, that is equal to 1 by 2 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಂಗೆ A 20th ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ AR 20 minus 1, that is 5 by 2 will be there and 1 by 2 will be there, that is 19, that is 5 divided by 2 into times of 2 to the power of 19 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, which is 5 divided by 2 power 20. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಹಂಗೇನೆ ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, AN will be there, that is AR to the power of n minus 1, that is 5 by 2, and also we have 1 by 2 n minus of 1 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 5 divided by 2 into 2 to the power of n minus 1, that is 5 divided by 2 power n ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನಮಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಏನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ 12th term, okay, 12th term of a GP. So basically find the 12th term of a GP whose 8th term. Okay, so basically whose 8th term is what? So ivaga or kotiradu 192 will be the 8th term, and also we have that is the common ratio. Aita, so first of all we have the common ratio will be 2. So ivaga given solution alli namagu gottu, so R will be equal to 2, and also let A will be in the common term, or sorry, A ಅನ್ನೋದು first term ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಎ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಜಿ ಪಿ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ A8 will be there, that is AR8 minus of 1 will be equal to AR7. Okay, so that is AR7 will be there, which will be equal to 192. Okay, so therefore that is how we have A of 2 to the power of 7 will be equal to 192 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So therefore A into times of 2 power 7 will be there, that is 2 power 6 into times of 3 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So therefore we can basically say A will be equal to 2 power 6 into times of 3 divided by 2 power 7, which is equal to 3 divided by 2. Okay, so ಆ ತರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. A 112 ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ AR 12 minus of 1, which is equal to 3 by 2 into times of how much is that? 2 power 11, which is equal to 3 into times of 2 to the power of 10. That is equal to 3072 ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆನಾ? Now next one is what? So that is question number 3. ಆಯ್ತಾ? So question number 3 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ, so the 5th term, and also we have that is the 8th term, and also we have the 11th term of the geometric progression. So basically we have that is the GP, and also we have P, Q, R and S respectively. Aita, so basically we have to know about this respectively. It will be there. Show that Q square will be equal to PS. So ivaga 5th term anta bandide andaga AR 5 minus of 1, that is AR to the power of 4. ಇವಾಗ 8th term ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂದಾಗ AR 8 minus of 1, that is AR to the power of 7 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 8th term. Now 11th term ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ, so basically we have 11th term AR to the power of 11 minus 1 AR 10. ನಾವು ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದೇನು, ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ? ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದೇನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ, ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್, ಸೊ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ, ಇವಾಗ ನಮಗ್ ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದೇನು, we have to be, this is P and this is Q and this is R. So ivaga P into times of S. Okay, what? P into times of this is R alla, this is S anta barutte. Okay, so basically this is S. P S anta helidaga idu multiply ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, that is AR to the power of 4 into AR to the power of 10, that is A square R to the power of 14. So that will be the case. And also Q square anta helidaga, that is AR to the power of 7 whole square, that is equal to A square R to the power of 14. So therefore A square R power 14 will be equal to A square R power 14. So therefore we can say Q square is equal to P into S anta baratte. Okay, yeah, Q square is equal to P into S anta namage illi baratte. That's all. Now question number 4. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. fourth term of a GP is the square, okay, of its second term, and the first term irodu. So basically we have that is the first term is -3, then what is the 7th term anta avaru kelta irodu. Okay, so basically fourth term anta bandaga AR cube, okay, will be square of its second term. So iವಾಗ second term anta bandaga AR. Okay, so basically AR cube will be equal to AR whole square. Okay, and A will be equal to -3. 7th term ಅಂದಾಗ AR to the power of 6 ಏನು ಅಂತ ಅವರು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ AR cube will be equal to A square R square. So basically ಇಲ್ಲಿ R ಮಿಕ್ಕತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ A ಮಿಕ್ಕತ್ತೆ. So A will be equal to R. So basically R will be also equal to -3. So ಇವಾಗ 7th term ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ AR to the power of 6, that is A into A to the power of 6, that is A to the power of 7, which is equal to -3 to the power of 7 ಅಂತ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, which will be equal to minus of 2187 ಅಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ. Now next one, the fifth one, which term of the following sequence? So find, okay, so ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಒಂದು L term ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು. L term has been given. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ L term has been given ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕೂಡ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, L term ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ L term ಅನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಸ್, ಅದರಿಂದ ನಾವಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 2, then we have that is 2 root of 4. sorry, so basically 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 2 root 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, then we'll be having 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, and that will be equal to 128. Okay, L will be equal to 128 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So basically we have so ಇಲ್ಲಿ A ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 2 ಬಂದಿದೆ, then ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಇದು ಈ ತರ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? R ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 2 root of 2 divided by 2 that is equal to root of 2. ಅಚ್ಚಾ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ A ಇದು ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಸೊ L will be equal to 128. L will be equal to A to the R to the power of n minus 1. That is 128 is equal to 2 into root of 2 to the power of n minus 1. So basically 128 by 2 is equal to, or we can also say this as, so basically 128 is equal to 2 into 2 to the power of n minus of 1 divided by 2. That is 2 to the power of n minus of 1 by 2 plus times of 1. That is 2 to the power of, that is 2n plus times of 1. Okay, 2 minus of 1 divided by 2 anta barutte. And also we have 128. So 128 is nothing but 2 to the power of how much is 128? 2 to the power of 7 is 128. So 7 will be equal to n plus 1 divided by 2. 14 minus of 1, n is going to be equal to 13. So this will be, okay, when you evaluate this. So ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? n plus 1 ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 14 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. n will be equal to 14 minus of 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. That will be 13 ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದು A part. Then ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ B part ಅನ್ನ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. B part ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಗಿವನ್ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ root of 3, then we have 3, then we have 3 root of 3 and so on. And also that is given term will be there, and also I'll ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ term ಏನು, so 1 divided by 1983. Okay, so ಇವಾಗ A ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು root 3 ಬಂದಿದೆ, R ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 3 divided by root 3, that will also be root 3. So A equals to root 3, R equals to root 3. Now ಇವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಬರೋಣ, L will be equal to AR to the power of n minus of 1. L will be equal to R to the power of n because A will be equal to R apparently. So therefore ಇಲ್ಲಿ 19683 will be equal to what is that, root of 3 to the power of n ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, root of 3 to the power of n ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So which can be written as, so that is how we have to know. Okay, so that is given the term, sorry, ಇದು 192, sorry, ನಾನು ರಾಂಗ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದೇನು, that is 729, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ 729 is the value. So basically ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 to the power of half. So basically that is 3 to the power of n by 2 will be there, and this will be how much is that, 3 to the power of 6 will be equal to 3 to the power of n by 2. So n will be equal to 12. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Yeah. So n is going to be equal to 12. So third part. ಆಯ್ತಾ? So the third part ಬರುತ್ತೆ, given sequence 1 by 3 and 1 by 9, and also we have 1 by 27 and so on ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. So A will be equal to 1 by 3, R will be equal to 1 by 9 divided by 1 by 3 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, which will be equal to 1 by 9 into 3 by 1, that is equal to 1 by 3. Now A will be equal to 1 by 3, R will be equal to 1 by 3. Okay, so A will be equal to 1 by 3 and R will be equal to 1 by 3. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದೇನು, ಸೊ 1 by 19683 will be equal to how much is that, 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 to the power of n minus of 1. So therefore ಇದನ್ನ ಬಂದಾಗ, so that is 1 by 3 to the power of n ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ n ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, n will be equal to 9 ಅಂತ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 6. ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 6 ಅನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 6 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ, ಫಾರ್ what values, ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದೇನು, for what values of x, okay, the numbers, so basically numbers minus 2 by 7 and also we have x and also minus 7 divided by 2 are in geometric progression, are in GP. So basically the given numbers, solution ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ the given numbers are there. So basically the given numbers are in ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So first of all we have minus 2 divided by 7 and also x, and also we have minus 7 divided by 2. So then we'll be having that is the common ratio. So first of all we have that is the common ratio will be there. X divided by minus 2 by 7 and will be equal to minus of 7x divided by 2. And then we have also the common ratio can be written as what? Okay, so also we have that is common ratio. Common ratio will also be as minus 7 divided by 2 divided by x ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, that is minus of 7 divided by 2x. So common ratio same ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, so these are both are equal to r. So basically we have to know that the ratios are the same. Ratio vary ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಕಾಮನ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಏನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಲ್ಲ. ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, -7x divided by 2 will be equal to -7 divided by 2x. So therefore ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, so basically 7 divided by 2x. So 2 ಹೋಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So that will be equal to x square will be equal to 1. X will be equal to plus or minus of 1 ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. So first of all they are the case, and also x will be equal to plus or minus of 1 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Now next one, find the question number 7. So first of all we have to see question number 7. Find the sum of, ಆಯ್ತಾ. So basically sum of 20 terms, ಆಯ್ತಾ. So basically 20 terms in the geometric progression. Okay, so in the geometric progression ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 0.15. okay, basically 0.15, 0.015 and also 0.0015 and so on. So ಇವಾಗ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ, okay, solution ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ, so that is for the GP, A will be equal to 0.15, R will be equal to 0.015 divided by 0.15, that is equal to 0.1 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So Sn will be equal to A into 1 minus R to the power of n divided by 1 minus of R. So which will be equal to 0.15 into 1 minus of 0.1 to the power of how much is that, 20, divided by 1 minus of 0.1 will be there. That is 0.15 divided by 0.9, which will be there 1 minus of 0.1 to the power of 20 anta baratte. So which is equal to 15 divided by 90, okay, into times of 1 minus of how much is that, 0.1, and also that is 20 anta baratte. That is equal to 1 by 6 anta baratte. 1 minus of 0.1 to the power of 20 ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So now next one ಏನಿದೆ, 8th one. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ find the sum of n terms. Okay, so basically n terms in the geometric progression, and also that is root of 7. Okay, then root of 21, then we have 3 root of 7 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, all of them are in the geometric progression. Okay, so they are in the geometric progression. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ solution ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ what is it, A will be equal to root of 7 ಅಂತ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. A is equal to what, A is equal to root of 7 ಅಂತ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ. R will be equal to what, R ಅನ್ನ root of 21 divided by root of 7 ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. That will be equal to root of 3. Now ಇಲ್ಲಿ Sn ಅಂತ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದ್ದಾಗ Sn will be equal to A into how much is that, 1 minus of R to the power of n divided by 1 minus of R ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So Sn will be equal to root of 7 into 1 minus of root of 3 to the power of n divided by 1 minus of root of 3 anta baratte. That will be equal to how much is that, root of 7, 1 minus of root of 3 to the power of n, and also divided by 1 minus of root of 3 into 1 plus times of root of 3 divided by 1 plus times of root of 3, and also we have root of 7 baratte, 1 plus times of root of 3, and also we have 1 minus of root of 3 whole to the power of n divided by how much is that, 1 minus of 3 anta baratte, which is equal to minus of root of 7, 1 plus times of root of 3 divided by 2, and also we have 1 minus of 3 to the power of n divided by 2, and that will be equal to root of 7 into 1 plus times of root of 3 divided by 2, and also that will be equal to 3 to the power of n by 2 minus of 1 anta illi baratte. Okay, so this will be the 8th question. Now we have the 9th question. 8th one ಆಯ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 9th question ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So find the sum of, okay, so sum of n terms, ಆಯ್ತಾ. So basically n terms in geometric progression, that is 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, minus a, and also we have a square, and then we'll be having minus a cube and so on. If okay, so basically if a is not equal to minus 1. Now ಇಲ್ಲಿ solution ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ, so first of all we have GP, that is 1, then we have minus a, then we have a square and minus a cube and so on. A1 will be equal to 1, then R will be equal to minus a. So therefore Sn will be equal to A1 into 1 minus of R to the power of n divided by 1 minus of R. So therefore which is equal to 1 minus of a to the power of n. Okay, divided by how much is that, 1 minus of a will be there. So 1 minus of a to the power of n divided by 1 plus times of a anta baratte. Okay, so this is how we will have to remember. So then we have, that is the 10th question. 10th question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, find the geometric progression for n terms. Okay, for n terms anta ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. For n terms, that is wherein the geometric progression will be x cube, then we'll be having x5, then we have x7, and so on if in case x will not be equal to plus or minus of 1. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ solution ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, so we have Sn will be equal to a into 1 minus of r to the power of n divided by 1 minus of r. So Sn will be equal to a into 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r, which is equal to x cube into 1 minus of x square whole to the power of n divided by 1 minus of x square, which is equal to x cube anta barutte 1 minus of x to the power of 2n divided by 1 minus of x square. Okay, yeah. So now ಇಲ್ಲಿ 11th question ಅಲ್ಲಿ summation of k will be equal to 1 till 11 it goes and 2 plus times of 3 power k. So wherein this can also be written as 2 plus 3. Okay, then ಇಲ್ಲಿ plus 2 plus 3 to the power of 1, then 2 plus 3 to the power of 2 plus times of 2 plus 3 to the power of 3 plus times of 2 plus 3 to the power of 4 and so on till 2 plus 3 to the power of 11 anta ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Now this will be equal to 2 plus 2 plus 2 and therefore 11 times anta 11 times. Okay, so basically we have that is the case, and plus times of 3 plus times of 3 square plus times of 3 cube plus dot 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 plus times of 3 to the power of 11 that will be there, and 2 into times of 11 times plus times of 3. Okay, then we'll be having Sn anta barutte. So that is 3 into 3 to the power of 11 minus of 1 divided by 2. Okay, so therefore we have 22 plus times of 3 divided by 2 into 3 power 11 minus of 1. Okay, so this is going to be the solution. Then we have the 12th question. ಇವಾಗ 12th question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ 12th question solve ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದಾಗ sum of the first three terms, the sum of first three terms, that is a by r and also a and also ar. See ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇದು ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಿಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಈ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದಾಗ, ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ನಾವ್ ಏನಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ತ್ರೀ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಸೊ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ತ್ರೀ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ತ್ರೀ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ, ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ತ್ರೀ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ನಾವ್ ಏನಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಸೊ ಆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ನ ನಾವು a by r and also a and also we have ar ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ a by r a and ar ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ, which is very very important. So a by r plus times of a plus times of ar will be equal to what is that? That is 39 divided by 10. Okay, then we have a by r into times of a into times of ar will be equal to 1. Okay, so 39 by 10. So therefore this will be a into 1 by r. Okay, plus times of 1 plus times of r, which will be equal to 39 divided by 10 anta barutte. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ a cube into times of a cube will be equal to 1. Okay, so ಇವಾಗ ಈ ತರ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದಾಗ a cube will be equal to 1 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So considering, okay, hence we can say we have a will be equal to 1 considering only the real roots. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಂತ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ, so 1 divided by r, 1 divided by r plus times of 1 plus times of r will be equal to 39 divided by 10. Okay, hangene 1 plus times of r plus times of r square divided by r will be there, that is 39 divided by 10. Okay, r divided by 10. So ಆ ತರ ಬಂದಾಗ 10 plus times of 10r plus times of 10r square will be equal to 39r. Okay, so then that is equal to 10r square minus of 29r plus times of 10 will be equal to 0. So 10r square minus of 25r, okay, minus of 4r will be plus times of 10 will be equal to 0. So that is 5r and also that is 2r minus of 5. Then we have 2 into 2r minus of 5 will be equal to 0. So that is 5r minus of 2 and also we have 2r minus of 5 equals to 0. So r will be equal to 2 by 5 or r will be equal to 5 by 2. So r is 2 by 5 and r is equal to 5 by 2 anta barutte, which is very very important. Okay, then we have the 13th question. Okay, how many terms of GP? Okay, now ivaga how many terms are there? How many terms of the GP will be there? We have that is 3, then we have that is 3 square and we have 3 cube are needed for 120. Okay, basically sum will be equal to 120 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು. So Sn will be equal to 120 and also we have 120 will be equal to 3 into times of 3 to the power of n minus of 1, that is 3 minus of 1. So therefore which will be equal to 3 into 3n minus of 1 divided by 2. So that is 240 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So therefore that will be equal to 3 into times of 3 power n minus of 1. So therefore either what is it? It can be 180. Sorry, 80. 180 kadu. So this will be 80 will be there. That is 3n minus of 1. That is 81 will be equal to 3n. So that will be 4. N will be equal to 4 ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 4 ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ. n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನ 4 ಅಂತ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ 14th one. Sum of the first 3 terms of the GP. Okay. So basically first 3 terms anta baratte, that is A divided by R, and also we have A and AR will be equal to 16. Okay. So basically sum. So ivaga idu plus anta baratte. Okay now. So basically yeah. So first of all we'll be having this thing, and then idu ee tara 338, and also that is the sum and the next 3 terms. Okay. Now assuming ಇದು ಈ ತರ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ 3 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 3 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್, ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 3 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 3 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 3. ಸೊ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 3 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸೇ, okay, so we can say basically A, then we have AR, then we have AR square, then we have AR cube. Okay, and so on. Then according to the question, we have A plus times of AR plus times of AR square will be equal to 16. Then we have AR cube plus times of AR 4 plus times of AR 5 will be equal to 128. Okay, now so ee thara ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದಾಗ, so that is A into 1 plus times of R square equals to 16. Then illi A into R cube plus times of R4 plus times of R5 is equal to 128. So that is A into R cube bandaga 1 plus R square plus times of R will be equal to 128. So we can basically say AR cube into 1 plus R square divided by A into 1 plus R square will be equal to 128 divided by anta baratte. So A hoytu, so R cube will be equal to 128 by 16. So therefore we can say 128 by 16, and also we have R cube will be equal to 8, R will be equal to 2. Okay, so first of all R will be equal to 2 anta baratte. So that is how we will have to remember, and we will have to know about all these things. Okay, idhe thara namage adu baratte. So now next question alli ಏನು solve ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? So we can say R will be equal to 2 anta namage ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So A into 1 plus times of 2 plus times of 4 will be equal to 16 anta baratte. So A into 7 will be equal to 16, and A will be equal to 16 divided by 7 anta irutte. So 16 by 7. So now we have the sum. Okay, so basically when we talk about the sum, Sn will be equal to A into R to the power of n minus of 1, R minus of 1, that is 16 divided by 7 into 2 to the power of minus of 1, then we have 2 minus of 1. So which is 16 divided by 7 and 2 power n minus of 1 anta namige solution irutte. So 2 power n minus of 1 will be there, and also we'll be having that is the 15th one. Okay, given the GP, so first of all we'll be having GP and A will be equal to 729, and we'll be having that is the 7th term anta baratte. Okay, so 7th term, and also we'll be having, what do you say, we have that the 7th term is 64. So basically we have that is the 7th term anta baratte, that is AR to the power of 64, and S of 7 will be how much? Okay, yeah, A will be equal to 729, R A7. Okay, basically we have this is there, and A7 will be equal to 64. So let R be, the common ratio. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ R ಇರೋದು ಕಾಮನ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಆಫ್ ದ GP ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಕಾಮನ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಆಫ್ GP, ಸೊ AN ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು AR to the power of n minus 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So A to the power of A7 and also AR7 minus of 1, that is 729 to the power into R to the power of 6 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So we can basically tell 64 is 729, R to the power of 6, and R power 6 is equal to 64 divided by 729. So therefore that will be equal to, how much is that? 2 divided by 3 to the power of 6, and R is equal to 2 divided by 3. Okay, so first of all we'll be having that is R will be equal to 2 divided by 3, and also we'll be having Sn will be there. Sn is A into 1 to the power of Rn divided by 1 minus of R. So wherein we can say that is S7 will be equal to 729 into 1 minus of 2 by 3 to the power of 7, divided by 1 minus of 2 by 3 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So which is equal to 3 into times of 729 into 1 minus of 2 by 3 to the power of 7, and that is equal to 3 to the power of 7 and also 3 power 7 minus of 2 power 7 divided by how much is that 3 power 7 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, which will be equal to 3 power 7 minus of 2 power 7 divided by how much is that, so which is equal to 1 2, or so basically it will be equal to 2187 minus of 128, which is equal to 2059. Okay, so that is the value, and that is going to be equal to 2059 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, which is important. So now ಇಲ್ಲಿ 16th one. Okay, ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು, find the GP for which the sum. Okay, so now we have, okay, so basically we will have to remember and also we will have to know about this. So ಇವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದಾಗ ಜಿ ಪಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಏನಿದೆ ಜಿ ಪಿ ಅಂತ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೂ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೂ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು -4, ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು, okay, so basically we'll be having that is the fifth term, and that is how we will have to remember. Okay, so basically we will have to remember and also we will have to know about this. So ivaga ee tara bandaga fifth term anta barutte, so that will be equal to 4, and also we'll be having that is the third term in barutte anta ನಾವು ನೋಡಬೇಕು. So s2 will be equal to -4, s2 will be equal to -4, that is a into 1 minus of r square, and also that is 1 minus of r. Okay, so that is how we will have to remember, and we will have to know about all these kinds of things. Okay, so idi thara bandirutte, and also we have, that is how we have to know. Okay, so basically ada thara barutte, we'll have to remember about that. So ada thara bandaga namge s of 1 minus of r anta irutte. So a5 bandaga it will be equal to 4 cross a3, that is ar to the power of 4 will be 4ar square. So ivaga r square ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 4 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ r will be equal to plus or minus of 2 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಫ್ 2 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ಬಂದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ -4 ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು a ಇಂಟು 1 to the power of 2, and also we'll be having that is 1 minus of 2, that is r will be equal to 2. Okay, so that is -4 will be equal to a into 1 minus of 4 divided by minus of 1. So -4 is a into times of 3, and that is a will be equal to -4 divided by 3 anta barutte. Okay, so wherein we'll have that thing, and also we can say we have -4 is equal to a into 1 minus of -2 whole square divided by 1 minus of -2, which is equal to, for r will be equal to -2. So -4 will be there, will be equal to a into 1 minus of 4 divided by 1 plus times of 2, -4 is equal to a into minus of 3 divided by 3, a will be equal to 4 anta barutte. Okay, so ee thara ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, okay, ಈ ತರ ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬಂದಾಗ 4 by 3 and also -8 by 3 and -16 by 3 and all these things ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು one set ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so second set ನೋಡಿದಾಗ 4, okay, -8 and also 16, 4 -4 16, then -32 ಅಂತ ಅದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ಇದೇ ತರ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಆ ತರಾನೇ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ತಗೊಂಡು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ 19th ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದಾಗ, ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ 2 into 128 plus 4 into 32 plus 8 into 8 plus 16 into 2 plus 32 into half. Okay, that is 64 bandaga 4 plus times of 2 plus times of 1 plus times of half plus times of 1 by 2 square. Okay, so now we can say 4, then we have 2 and we have 1 and then we have half, then we have what is that, 2 to the power of, or 1 2 to the power of 2, they are in GP anta navu idakke heltivi. So a will be equal to 4 and common ratio r is equal to half. So Sn will be equal to a into 1 minus of r to the power of 1 minus of r anta barutte. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ s of 5 ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ 4 into 1 minus of 1 to the power of 5 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So that is 1 minus of half. So that is 4 into 1 minus of 1 divided by 32 and divided by 1 minus of it ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 8 into 32 minus of 1 divided by 32, that is 31 divided by 4 ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಅಂಡ್ ಈ ತರಾನೇ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡೋಣ, ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ತರನೇ ಬಂದಾಗ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು, ಸೊ ನಮಗಿಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ. ಸೊ ನಮಗಿಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ನಮಗೇನು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ, ಓಕೆನಾ,